But what we're going to do is we're going to try to take this old language with the weird capitalization. We're going to try to take it from the old language and put it in, today's what kind of words we would use today. And so, since a lot of you actually have already memorized this in elementary school, I would assume that when you memorized, you might have also talked a little bit about what it meant. I hope, and not just sang the song. So we're going to kind of go back through. And we'll do the first line together, and then I'll give you a few minutes to kind of see what you come up with for the other lines. Remember, these are the goals of the Constitution. This is the purpose. The whole reason that they're writing a Constitution was for these things to happen. This is what they were trying to achieve. And so the first line says, "We the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union." So, we the people of the United States. Hannah. Why? What does that mean? We the people of the United States there's not necessarily a whole lot to translate here, but what are they saying here? We the people.
They're saying that they're the people of, pretty much the people of the United States of America, and kind of still proclaiming that they're free from Britain.
Okay, so I like what you just, can you say that second part again, sweetie?
Restating again that they're their own people.
I like that. I hadn't necessarily thought of it in that way, so I like that. So they're reiterating, like, we are a country, we are independent, sort of reasserting that that they're independent, that they got their own country over here, they're not British citizens anymore. Okay, and why do you think, Dante, why do you think they started with we the people and not I the president? Because we know the president, he seems pretty important. We make a big deal about electing him every 4 years. So why do you think they started with we the people? What other point are they trying to make here?
The citizens?
Okay, so the citizens of the U.S., good. And why do you think they started by talking about the citizens and not the president? Isn't he important? And don't they spend millions of dollars to elect presidents? So why are they starting by talking about citizens in this document that's about our government? Would you like to phone a friend? Okay, so what friend would you like to phone?
Okay, well, the president changes, and they don't want to keep changing the Constitution.
That's a good point. Okay, and Colby?
Well, I would think they're saying that it's more of a direct democracy because they wanted to be not like Britain. Britain was just more powerful. It just made them do whatever Britain said, kind of like a dictator. But they wanted to be more, they pick and choose what they want.
Good, I like that. Tariq still wants to add to that. There's something still to be said, according to Tariq.
I know what he's saying, but because the Constitution is for the people, and it's for the people, and since we are the people that are going to not enforce, but act on what the Constitution says and stuff.
Okay, so there's a lot. If I try to sum up everything you guys are saying. So Hannah said, like, we, the citizens of the U.S., and then she was kind of saying, like, not Great Britain, or our own country here. And Colby said, we, the citizens of the U.S., that's a democracy. That's another point they were trying to make, right? So we, the citizens of the democratic U.S., parentheses, according to Hannah, not Great Britain, we're our own country now, and we're a democracy. So we, the citizens, in order to form a more perfect union. Maddie, what do you think? In order to...
Like a better place, like a democracy or government.
Better than what?
What they had.
Okay, good. So we, the citizens of the U.S., not Great Britain, that's a democracy, in order to form a place that's better than it was before, right? And we don't have to translate every word here. So right now, she's telling us really what we mean by more perfect union. So in order to form, I'm just going to kind of separate them there, place that's better than it was. So